Dear students, in this presentation we shall try to understand difference between domestic and international marketing. There are differentiation between domestic and international marketing. Here we shall be trying to understand the important differences between these two. See, number one difference, we can say that domestic marketing is the production, promotion, distribution and sale of goods and services in a local market, while international market or international marketing is the production, promotion, distribution and sale of goods and services in a global market. So this, I think we all know that domestic marketing is marketing in our home country in the domestic market, and international marketing is marketing in international markets. The second difference between domestic and international marketing is that domestic marketing is less risky and it is easier to conduct, while the international marketing is more risky and more complex. This is because in domestic marketing we know the factors of the market and more or less we can predict also, and therefore because of the known factors, because of the known culture here in the domestic markets, so therefore marketing in our home country, marketing in the domestic market is considered to be less risky compared to marketing in the international market, where we do not know, the factors are also unknown to us. And now the third difference between domestic and international marketing is domestic marketing requires lesser financial resources, while international marketing requires more financial resources. This is true because domestic marketing, the expenditure is less, the transportation cost is less, and the formalities that are required to be undertaken is also less compared to the international marketing, and therefore domestic marketing requires lesser financial resources, whereas international marketing requires more financial resources.